Welcome to another video on Microsoft Fabric, and in this video we will know how to enable Microsoft Fabric on your Power BI tenant. To enable the Microsoft Fabric on your tenant, go to app.powerbi.com and under the tenant settings we have an option to enable the Microsoft Fabric. Now in this environment what I have done is I already upgraded to PPU. Because I have already enabled a PPU trial on my system, I am not getting the trial option. So the trial option right now is merged with the Microsoft Fabric trial. So if you are getting a trial option, it means you will be enabled to get the Microsoft Fabric trial. Because I have done it few days back and it was showing me the upgrade option, I have done that. That is why I am not getting a trial option. But on the other tenant where I am just a simple user, I'm a pro user tenant, and in this tenant if you see, you will see a difference. Here I'm getting a trial. Now it is not asking which trial right now. I need to click and check it out. So if I click here, it will say use the feature to upgrade free Microsoft free trial capacity. When you upgrade, you will have access to Fabric enhanced feature including paginated report deployment pipeline, new data storage, including warehouses and lakehouse. So it is just like upgrading to PPU or to the premium trial also. So it's just working like that. So if you are clicking that free trial, it means now the free trial is for the Fabric. It is not for PPU if you are a pro. So you can go ahead and enable that. And once you enable that, you will be able to use the Microsoft Fabric. The settings has to be done at the organization level or at the security group level. I'm going to do, because I'm already on premium, I'm hoping that it should migrate me to Fabric. Now let's go to the settings. So you go to the settings. Now the tenant setting option is not there. The menu is like little bit bigger. So you have to scroll down till this place below, and here you will see this admin portal. Now you need to click on admin portal, and once you do it, you need to make sure that you are on the tenant settings. And in the tenant settings, we are going to look for this option Microsoft Fabric Preview. Now open this option Microsoft Fabric Preview, and you will say accept Microsoft default selection off for entire organization. So what I am going to do is I'm going to uncheck this option. Look at this option now. This is the option which you have to uncheck to enable it. So I am unchecking it, and now it is disabled by default because that was the default option. So I'm going to enable it. I am planning to enable it for my entire organization, but you can choose a specific security group, or you can choose accept specific security group, means other than few set of users, you can enable it for everyone in your organization. So let me click on apply and let's see what happens. It's saying the tenant settings will apply within next 15 minutes. Now I have enabled the Microsoft Fabric here in my tenant, and because I am in PPU, I might not have any capacity setting to be changed, but let's have a look at the capacity setting. Do I need to change anything? But I have nothing to change here, even in trial and Fabric capacity, because I don't have a capacity. But if you are a customer which is having the premium capacity, then for the premium capacity customers, you do have to do certain setting changes. Now you have to go ahead and in the capacity setting you will get an option delegate tenant settings. User can create Fabric items, public preview. User can create Fabric item with new capabilities in Microsoft Fabric. This setting can be managed both at the tenant and capacity level. So you can say override tenant admin selection. You can enable this setting and say apply. Now if you want to apply it for a set of users, specific security group, you can go ahead and do that also. So once you are done, you are all set and all ready to go ahead with the Microsoft Fabric. In case you want to disable it, the steps are given in the documentation, which I'm going to also share with you in the description. So go ahead and try this out. Enable the new world of Microsoft Fabric. Go here to my workspace. Let me go to a workspace. Let me go to my demo workspace. And in my demo workspace, when I'm saying new show all, it has started showing me data engineering, data factory, data science, data warehousing, Power BI. All these are Microsoft Fabric things. These are the one things which we are going to use in Microsoft Fabrics, and the preview has been enabled for me about Microsoft Fabric, the new environment, what this is offer, the comprehensive BI analytics environment along with AI, along with all the best of the tools which Microsoft has provided us in the past. So let's go ahead and explore that now.